Hello, everyone. I'm Susan Walter, and this is Spiritual Sundays. And today I would like to talk briefly about the solfeggio frequencies. I'll at least give you an idea briefly as what they are, an introduction. Um, uh, these frequencies, they go back at least to the time of Pythagoras because they are all based on Pythagorean math. They are all three-digit numbers, and they always add up to 3, 6, or 9 without the use of zero. And there are actually 9 sets of 9 of these frequencies. Now, there are other three-digit numbers on top of these that add up to 3, 6, or 9, and these are often referred to as whole tones. But the solfeggio frequencies, actually each frequency can help you do a different thing, can help you heal a different aspect of your physical or emotional or spiritual bodies. Yeah, they were last used, last known to be used in the Gregorian chants, and at that time, approximately sometime probably mid to late 1600s, these frequencies were conveniently lost by the church. Many believe because the people were having spiritual experiences that the church could not control. Um, if you want to look at these different frequencies, the ones that are most popular are also referred to as the earthly solfeggio frequencies. The one talked about the most is frequency 528. If you take those numbers, 5 plus 2 plus 8, they add up to 15. And then, of course, 1 plus 5 equals 6. There's also a lot of interesting science behind some of these, not just the basics of math and geometry, but when NASA has gone into space, they have discovered each sphere, each planet, each sun, each moon, all puts off a frequency. And the feedback I have gotten is that all of these are solfeggio frequencies. So it makes it a kind of interesting concept of a channeling I heard many years ago, that the ETs actually use sound as a map as they fly among the solar systems. But this also puts a different spin on what in Christianity is often referred to as the Word, the Big Bang at the beginning of time. And even scientists have now come to the conclusion that it was not necessarily a bang or an explosion, that it was actually a tone or frequency. Yeah, and there are ancient stories from India to the Hopi and others that speak about our universe being sung into existence. That several beings came to this our little part of the world, the solar system galaxy, and sung our whole our planets into existence. So there's a lot of information out there. There's been a few books written about the solfeggio frequencies. You can find some different information and different lectures on YouTube. So just take this as a beginning to start your research on what these frequencies truly are and how they can be used to help you grow and expand in your journey. The work that I have done, I have created several with the 81 different mandalas that I've done for all the solfeggio frequencies, like I said, the 9 sets of 9, I've created not only a set of, mandala, I call them meditation decks, and I have also created coloring books where you can use these as a meditation tool. And there is also information then, a paragraph or 2 or 3 about each one of these different frequencies and what they can actually assist you with. So if you have any questions for me about the solfeggios or any of the other work that I do, you can visit my website at susanwalterart.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. I'll see you next Sunday.